Hey guys, thanks for coming back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Renee. Today I am doing part 2 of my decluttering series. So today I'm going to be decluttering my boots and shoes, and it's going to be quite the task because I have a lot of them. The first part of my series was decluttering my dresses, and I had a ton of them. So this shouldn't be quite as extensive, but I do have a lot of shoes. So if you're new to the channel, I'd love it if you consider sticking around and subscribing. I make videos like this twice a week. I also do videos on other topics like home decor, fashion, and a little bit of travel. So if that sounds good to you, just hit that subscribe button and let's get on with the video. Okay, so I'm here in my living room and I have all my boots, and this whole bin is full of boots too. Hi, Ween. So these boots right here are boots that I use all the time. I basically wear these tall black and these tall brown boots just about every day. So I'm going to go ahead and put these over here right now because I know I'm going to be keeping those. And same thing with this pair. These are kind of like my boots that are just warmer that I wear almost every day too. I'm going to keep these, as well as this black pair. I actually just got these a couple weeks ago. If you watched my last video, I feature these. These are like some of my favorites, and they were in my winter favorites video. So I'm definitely keeping these. Okay, so that's 4 pairs of boots that I know I'm keeping, and so next I'm going to need to go through this big bin of boots. So there's a lot in here, so let's just get going. So I got these boots probably a couple years ago from Rue 21, I believe, and they are really cute, and I like the color, I like the fur, but I literally have not worn them one time since I got them, so I think that's pretty easy to figure out where these are going to go. And that is going to be in the get rid of pile, so that is going to be over here. So this is the keep, and this is the get rid of pile. So on to the next pair. I got these gray boots a couple years ago from Rue 21 as well, and I actually have worn these a few times. I really like them because of this like chunky heel. They're pretty comfortable, and it's hard to find gray boots, so I really like these. So I'm actually going to keep these ones. I got these brown ones a couple years ago as well, and I don't really wear them actually at all, so I don't really need to think about this. I'm going to get rid of these. This pair of boots I never wear. I don't really like how scrunchy they are. They just don't look right on me, so these can go in the get rid of pile. I like these boots, but I don't ever wear them, so. Same thing with these. I don't like these, so I'm getting rid of them. These boots are really, really cute, but they're kind of uncomfortable. I like this really pretty, almost like wine or maroon color. They're really pretty, and I like them, but I've put them on and tried to wear them for a few minutes, and they just seem really, really uncomfortable. So if I haven't worn them yet, more than a couple hours, I don't think I will, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to get rid of these. So not too many more pairs, which is good. We're making progress. Next are these pair of boots, these black ones. I actually think I got these at Walmart in the girls section, and I actually really like these. They're pretty comfortable, I think probably because they have a lower heel, but I have worn these quite a few times, so I don't think I'm going to get rid of these just because I do think I'll wear these again. So I'm going to add these to the keep pile. And another pair of black boots here. I used to wear these all the time. They are just really cute. They have like these kind of like studs on the side. And I haven't worn them in a while, but I pretty much used to wear these anytime I went out. So I might have to try these ones on to decide if I'm going to keep them or not, because I used to love them, but maybe I'll just try these on and see if I'm going to keep them. So I'll put these over in a maybe pile, I guess. Then I have these really tall black slouchy boots. They have like these buckles on the sides. And I remember really liking these when I got them, but I'm really not too crazy about them anymore. I don't think I would wear these again just because, I don't know, they're just not really my style. So I am going to get rid of these. Next pair are these brown kind of like cowboy style boots, and I really like these. I think these ones are the ones that I do like because they're kind of softer than the other pair I have, or just a little bit more stiff, and These ones are a lot softer and just more comfortable, so I don't want to get rid of all my cowboy boots, so I'm going to keep these ones. So we are going to put these over in the keep section. And next up are these very tall boots. So they have this big chunky heel on them, but these heels on these are huge. I really don't remember ever wearing these, honestly. I don't know where I got them from, but they are really pretty, but I just don't see myself wearing these, so I'm going to get rid of these. Then lastly are these gray boots. They're kind of short and they have a little heel on them, and I like them. They are nice. I haven't really worn these too much. I've worn them a couple times, but again, I'm not really sure about these boots. I haven't worn them a whole lot, but again, gray boots are kind of hard to find, so I think I'm going to try these ones on and decide if I'm going to keep them or not. So I'm going to put them in the pile with these black boots, and I'm going to go ahead and try these on right now and then decide after trying them on if I'm going to keep them. Okay, so both of the dogs are in the video now. Sawyer wants to say hi. Hi! Say hi, Sawyer. Hi! Are you helping me organize my boots? He's not helping. You're not helping, are you? Okay. So I just tried on both of those pairs of boots, and this black pair I am definitely keeping. They still fit nice and I like them, so I'm keeping these. And I'm also keeping the gray pair. So I tried these on and they're comfortable, and I don't know, I need to put them somewhere so that I know I have them, so that I wear them more, so I'm definitely going to keep these. So these are both going into the keep pile. So now I will show you the two different piles, what I'm keeping and what I'm getting rid of. Here's both piles of boots. This pile right here is the get rid of pile, and that's the keep pile. So I'm getting rid of all of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pairs. So I'm getting rid of 8 pairs, which is awesome. And I'll probably end up taking these to Goodwill because it's kind of hard finding someone who has feet as small as mine. I usually wear like a size 5 or 6. So I don't have too many friends or people that I know that wear that size shoe. So I'll probably just donate these. And then here's the keep pile. So I'm going to be keeping the black and brown pair of tall boots, which I wear those pretty much every day, along with this pair and this pair. These are like my warmer boots, so I like to have a pair of brown and black, so I have those. And then I have one pair of these brown cowboy boots, a pair of dark gray kind of heeled boots, a shorter pair of black boots, and then these two pairs of kind of like going out boots, this black pair with the studs and this gray kind of fake leather looking pair. So I think that's enough boots, so I feel really good about this, and I'm happy that I'm going to be keeping these, and I'm really glad to be getting rid of all of these. So I'd say this was successful. Okay guys, that's it for my video today. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and see me declutter some of my boots. I will have more videos like this coming up in the future, so look forward to that. And until next time, my name's Renee. See you later guys. Bye.